Alyssa Nelsen here with Knob Noster Physical Therapy. Today I'm going to show you a great exercise that can be used for patients who have neck pain, difficulty turning or extending your neck, and then it also has been shown to be functional with some certain types of headaches and to be helpful. Today the technique that I'm going to teach you is called a SNAG, or a sustained natural apophyseal glide, which is why we call it a SNAG. It's quite a mouthful to say regularly. But this is a technique created by a man named Mulligan, and it's used to provide a little bit of gentle pressure on the joints while moving through a range of motion. Important things to know about this technique is that it needs to be done in a pain-free range. So if you're having any pain with it, we either need to go in less range or use less pressure. And we're also going to place our towel or equipment on the areas of your neck that you are having pain. So if it's up high, you're going to place that high. If it's down lower, you're going to place the pressure lower. So to utilize this technique, we're going to take a pillowcase, a towel, a dog leash, a strap, anything you have that can come together into a pretty narrow strip. You're also going to want to make sure it's a little bit longer, as we are going to do some crossing and some pulling. So you want to make sure there's plenty of room there to get a hold of that. And with this technique, you're going to move the strap up and behind the head. For the first one, which is the easier option, we're going to put that pressure wherever you have that pain, and we're going to use our two hands to pull forward. So here we want to be very gentle. You don't want to be overly aggressive. If you're having more pain with it, we'll need to use less pressure. But here we're going to pull forward and we're going to look up towards the ceiling. So for this one, this is very helpful for people who have issues with range of motion looking up, or if you're having to do a lot of sustained postures, painting, doing anything of that sort where you're having to look up. So again here, applying pressure forward, we're going to look up towards the ceiling and then come right back down. No need to hold it at the top. And you'll do 15 to 20 repetitions of that. I usually recommend at least 3-4 times a day. However, you can use it more frequently as needed. For the other option that you can do, this one is a little more challenging on the setup. We're going to actually drop your strap down to the side and we're going to cross arms. So the arm that is on the bottom is going to pull directly down. Your other hand is going to grab the other side of the towel, and we're going to come up and across the chin. Make sure you go high and catch the chin. You don't want to choke yourself on the bottom there. So we're going to put downward pressure with that bottom hand. Taking the top hand, we're going to come up across the face and use that to turn your head. Again, same thing here, staying in a pain-free range of motion, not going any farther than that. So same as well, no need to hold it at the end. We're going to do 15 to 20 repetitions at a time. Making sure on this one that we do switch hands, pulling down with the opposite hand, pulling up and across to go the other direction. These are great, can be used every day. It is a very gentle way to improve motion, decrease pain, and help with some headaches. As always, if you need anything else from us, you can always give us a call or head to our website at knobpt.com for more information. Thank you.